I talk to budget holders quite a lot about the fact that Prophix can't be wrong. We can trust the information and know that we've got it all in one place. We're able to make the finances come to life. My name's Kat Plummer. I'm the Director of Financial Planning and Analysis at the Royal British Legion. Royal British Legion is the UK's largest armed forces charity. We're there to provide support and assistance to people from the armed forces background, and we're also the kind of steward of remembrance for the whole of the nation. The systems that we're using were really, really archaic. Our FP&A function was completely driven from spreadsheets. There was lots and lots of exporting out of our financial account systems, putting it into spreadsheets, pivoting it, manipulating it, and getting it into a format that wasn't standardised across the organisation as well. Our team weren't really doing much of the exciting stuff. They were so bogged down. The main driver really was just trying to streamline the system, get a consistent way of doing things, be more efficient as a team. One of the other big things that drove us to going with Prophix was the self-service side of things. It's so user-friendly. It doesn't look like a finance system to non-finance people. They can populate things themselves, which means that they really take ownership for their numbers. We use it for all of our budget setting, budget monitoring, reforecasting, and all of our kind of data and analysis side of things. We also use it a lot more in terms of some of our KPI reporting as well, because one of the great things about Prophix is the ability to be able to set our budgets based on drivers. We can use it then to report on qualitative KPIs just as well as the number side of things. From an FP&A function, we use it for the entirety of the process. From a team perspective, we were able to make staff efficiencies. It's made the role a lot more enjoyable for the team because they spend a lot more time doing analysis of the data, not just spending a lot of time trying to generate the data. It's been absolutely transformative. From a budget holder perspective, it's allowed us to demystify finance, brought more faith in the finance process. It's been pretty revolutionary from an FP&A perspective in the organisation. There's an awful lot more that we can use Prophix for. We know that it's the one source of the truth, and we know that it reflects all the financial reality of it. We want to be able to use it a lot more to cut our data in slightly different ways, cutting it by product, cutting it by activity, being able to look at project reporting a lot better in terms of multi-year reporting. From a wider perspective, we want to start using it a lot more to help people build up their budgets from the drivers that they understand. So really being able to use it to translate the numbers, not just present hard, static numbers that people don't understand. Trying to use it as an insight tool, not just a reporting tool, to tell the story and bring those numbers to light. There's a lot of possibilities, which we're probably not utilising completely at the moment. Well, we've just signed up for another 3 years, so I think that probably says it all.